Hi and welcome to my review of Zoe Bray Cotton's Yoga Burn Kickstart Kit. So what is the Yoga Burn Kickstart Kit for? This ultimate and all-encompassing 1-month follow-along from home yoga DVD Kickstart Kit is perfect for women that are interested in yoga or are relatively new to yoga and would like to start mastering the fundamentals and techniques. Perfect for fast-tracking results right from the comfort of your own home. This Kickstart Kit is also ideal for women that are experienced with yoga, but have just been away from the practice for a while and are now ready to get back into the swing of things. Here's what to expect out of this Ultimate Yoga Kickstart Kit. Suffice it to say, this is a tremendously in-depth 1-month course, jam-packed full of absolutely everything you need to create, accelerate and maximize life-changing results from yoga. It's designed to have you finally experiencing the dramatically improved flexibility, focus, energy, posture and vitality, along with all of the other amazing stress-reducing, health and anti-aging benefits only the very best of yoga has to offer. And you'll be able to do so right from your living room. For a limited time only, Zoe is giving away the ultimate 4-week, follow-along from home yoga DVD Kickstart Kit for free to the wonderful women such as yourself. Be sure to grab your free Yoga Kickstart Kit worth $197 while they're still available. I can't wait to hear how it works for you. Just click the link in the description below and hear what Zoe has to say about this great free offer for you. Just click the link below and I will see you on the inside.